Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another video of AutoCAD. In this video, we'll be learning more about the circles and the arc command in AutoCAD. So let's begin. I have my AutoCAD interface open now, and I'll be dragging a sample drawing which we will be practicing in this video. So this is our sample drawing. First of all, look at the dimension. So this is of 10 unit radius, this is of 20 unit radius, this in between arc is of 40 unit of radius, and the outer arc is 60 units, and this circle is of 7.5 units, and the outer circle is of 30 units. So let's start with this point. First of all, we'll draw a perpendicular line. So that we can get a center. And our first curve is of about 60 millimeters of radius, 60 units of radius. So that's 60. You should be sure that which circle you have chosen, either its center radius or its center diameter. So we are given here with the radius. So I've chosen the center radius circle. So the other this this center radius is about 40 units. So again, I'll draw a circle of 40 units. Now this is 15, so it's half a 7.5 and 7.5 over here. So this curve would be 47.5, and this inner curve would be of 32.5. So again, I'll draw two more circles over here. Center again, one of 47.5 and inner of 32.5. Alright, so now next we have this curve that is of 20 units of radius. So again, I'll center radius, and I'll draw a circle of 20. You can see that it's very big. Wrong straight again. Undo it and draw another circle. 20. Alright, so this is the outer circle, and the inner circle is of 15 and 7.5 of radius. So now I'll be taking this arc command. You can see there are plenty of arc commands, so I'll be choosing this start end end radius command. So you can just start it over here, end it at there, and the radius is, I have the radius of 7.5. You can see that there I have got this arc. So I'll be trimming out some of the extra lines so that we could get an idea that our drawing is on the right direction or not. See that we have this curve, we have this curve. Now we want to make arc over here that is of 10 units of radius. We will select this arc command. Again, we have a start point, we have an end point, and we don't know the center over here, so we'll just use the start end and radius command. Because we know the radius and we know the starting point and the end point. So this is the starting point, this is the end point, and you can see that your curve, you are getting the curve. The radius is 10. Have your curve over here. So again, I'll be trimming some of the extra lines. This one. Alright. So now for this curve, what we are going to do is we don't know the exact center point of this, but this curve or this arc is tangent to this point and tangent to your main circle. So what will I do is that I'll select this tangent radius circle command, and I know that the circle is tangent to this point and to this curve, and I know the radius. The radius is 30 units. I'll press 30, and here you go. We have this curve. Now I'll be trimming out the extra arc, so you can see that we have this arc present over there. Again, I'm trimming some extra arcs, and now you have an idea that we're doing. Again, we have this semicircle to be made as well. So again, I'll select this arc command, start, center, end. I know I can use this command as well as start and radius both. So start, center, end, I'll use this. This is my start point, this is my end point, and this is my center point. Now you can see that my arc is being made on the upward directions, but I want my arc to be here, down here. So I'll press escape again, and I'll choose this side as my start, the left side as my start. Again, I confirm that my command is start, center, and end. So I have chosen the start point, this is the center point, and this is the end point. Again, my points were not very accurate, so I'll zoom in my figure and I'll draw my arc again. So again, I choose this command. This was my starting point, this was my center point, and this was my end point. So here I go, here I get the accurate semicircle. Again, I'll be trimming out this, this. I will just leave this one because we have, then we'll be rotating our figure. Alright, so now we want to draw this inside circle. So again, we'll set the circle command. Now I don't know where is the center point. Where could I find the center point of the circle? But you can see that the center point of the inner circle and this outer arc are the same. So what I'll do, I'll just pass my cursor to this circle. You can see that there's a blue center point. I'll keep clicking and I'll be filling the radius. Again, you should know that you have to choose the center radius command over here and enter the radius, so you get this whole figure. Now this line is extra, so you don't need to have this, so you can trim out this as well. And you see that this is perpendicular, but this is slightly tilted to an angle. So if we want to rotate this, we'll select this rotate command. Now it says that select objects, so we'll be selecting the whole diagram over here and we'll press enter. Now it says to specify base point, so this was our base point as you can see over here. So we'll click this and it's that you would drag your mouse or our touchpad, rotate. So rotating this, there you go. So you can see that our drawing is complete now. Now we can trim out these lines, these perpendicular lines which are not required. So thank you so much guys for watching. In this video we practiced more about the arcs and the circles, and we also learned one more command, that is of rotate command. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.